The students that are tuning in this beautiful morning inside the bus. Niara benar kadang ni bulto ko sara singa bukan lulu bekenda.
Right.
And middle of the week, eh?
Middle. Yeah.
Right. Aba nuita kini maru taki tu nakan ngarabi tu itabi na mataka ni kuwa bakata lakina. To all the students who are on their way to the National Stadium.
Whoa!
Super Zone 2 today.
All right. The last day of Super Zone 2.
Yeah, last day of Super Zone 2.
Yeah.
Baru ni benakana bikam ni katsara bagitabi, bikam ni nalaya bito koni. The most important thing is the spectators, eh? Because they are sending encouragement and motivation to the athletes.
Yeah.
A very good morning to you all. Makatan laki na bigam nikit sa parents.
Yeah.
Beautiful parents, hardworking parents. This beautiful morning.
Dominic, the results from yesterday, the boy in the boys division.
Right.
Mars Brothers High School is leading the boys division in the medal tally, and for the girls from
Super Grammar
School,
right,
are leading the medal tally.
Right.
As from yesterday afternoon. Eh?
Yes.
From the family in Ndolesau Suli and from Nawatubula and the family back in the overseas base.
Yeah.
To all the friends, to all the family,
Yeah.
to all the one we dedicated yesterday is from the border of Iran,
Right,
and Iraq.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining this morning and also yesterday. Mga nataltunga bertonan rebani KD.
Right.
No, na OD eh.
Right, OD.
Tunggal tu mai wani mala nangon ni dolor, nangon mai rewasau, nangon rosawan ni kula, mai undu. Good morning to you and the family from Naroko Rokoyawa.
Yes.
Thank you very much for joining this morning. Yesterday we met them at the town together with their Saba. They send their regards. We always listening to Beat FM every time.
Thank you.
They already passed Naibuddin. Maybe now they are in somewhere around Sawani or in the Super Corridor.
Yeah.
We thank them and everybody joining this
You should
morning.
make a short trip to Iran.
Lomani lor talaga na OB087. Naro sa mati kami kinabiyoti ni.
Tarogori.
I think you should make a short trip to Iran.
Yeah.
Now or later.
No, sir nga.
We
Punta
know.
ni Wambera.
Okay, before we
The
go to
looks,
Iran.
everything is there.
Yeah.
The fitness.
Before we go to Iran, LT4544 chope fatay nung kay ngule daba. Saya lata ka utipi ko na noa. Zero sena OU 412. Mas may nonda.
Right.
Sebas ngole may nasali and Super Corridor. Bentari and the family from UN Women Usa Koronrao. From Nausuri. Come.
Eh, Nishal Chan, yan rin ka. Para to yan
Okay, this morning we talk about the mirror.
Yes.
Mirror on the wall.
Yes.
The importance of the mirror,
Right.
or the history of the mirror.
There are different types of mirror.
Right.
One we got is a flat mirror that we normally use. Another one is a concave mirror.
Right.
The convex mirror.
Right.
Some that make you small in a curved mirror.
Yeah.
Some they bring you close in a convex mirror.
Right.
Yeah.
There are so many different kind of mirror. Depend on how they
are made.
Yeah.
Or how they are shaped, eh?
Plain
mirror forms a virtual same size image.
Yeah.
Plain mirror.
Yeah.
Concave mirror, curved inward.
Yeah.
It's used as a headlight.
Yeah.
And a concave mirror.
Right.
Okay, convex mirror, curved outward.
Right.
That make you small.
Rear view of the rear view mirrors.
Right.
Convex mirror.
Yeah.
Right. That's the three main types of mirrors that we know.
See?
Convex, concave, and plain mirror.
Nadaba?
Kung na mirror me pakalilitagi ko.
No, I don't want that.
Then what?
You better that one.
Iyo.
If I'm driving, I don't want to use that.
Microscopic mirror.
I need the zoom one.
The microscopic
Is the
mirror.
binoculars a mirror?
Binoculars is not a mirror.
No.
Okay.
Mirror, the meaning of mirror is this. That you can reflect yourself
Right.
Yeah.
from
It reflects.
object
Right.
you use. Water is not a mirror.
Right.
It's a reflection.
Right.
Oh, okay. Right. Reflection of a mirror. How about Iloilo nga? The normal Iloilo in the shop.
That's the plain mirror.
That's a plain mirror.
Right.
But sometimes people use that as a mirror.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
because lack of
Oh,
mirror
the glass, you mean?
Yeah, the glass.
The glass.
Yeah, that's because that's only the shadow.
Yeah.
Right.
You just to overlook your because
Yeah.
no option.
Yeah.
No option. And us men,
Yeah.
our wife is our mirror.
Trues up.
For you women,
Yeah.
remember,
Right. What?
daddy is your mirror.
Right.
Ono mundo tata is your mirror.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
If daddy said, I don't want you to lip gloss.
Right.
That's your mirror. Listen to your mirror, Eleanor.
That's the spirit of jealousy, Nemesi.
Not jealousy.
Yes.
But the jealousy too is the mirror.
See?
Eh?
See, yeah.
The mirror, your job is just to tell us.
Yeah.
The job is just to tell us.
Uh-huh.
You look okay, you look nice, you look beautiful. Okay,
So that we lie, we go to hell?
Okay, you need to improve on this.
Huh?
No!
Okay,
You need to improve on this.
Because
Put
the
on a
mirror,
little-
the human mirror,
Right.
will never lie.
It will always lie. Because the human mirror is human.
Yeah.
And to be human is to
Lie.
lie.
See? See?
The real mirror, the mirror,
Yeah.
it cannot lie. But the human mirror can lie.
Because the judge is the one who are reflecting. If you are seen by someone else in your loved ones,
Yeah.
remember, your loved ones, your inner love, your forever, your do or die.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
The do or die and the lover
Why
and
you
the
want
forever.
to listen to
So,
your
see,
own mirror?
okay, if your mirror is telling you not to do this, not to do that,
Right.
break the mirror.
Break the mirror.
Don't break the mirror.
Why?
If you break the mirror,
Yeah.
you'll see the concave mirror. Hey, good morning to the topic tower and also to the referee Esaba, to the OL 991 Kyusa and Mr. Tabale Mbulebelaka.
Hey,
Does
Moto
the
Tite.
mirror? Does the mirror have a power?
Right.
The mirror have a power, my friend.
Right.
Right.
What's
If
the
you
power?
take a mirror and you shine into the sunshine,
Right.
what will happen? All the birds will fly.
Okay.
If you take some mirror, you put in the sun, it can fire out.
It cannot. It cannot.
What
What did you say in English? In English.
It can fire out. Kama. No other one. Huh? See? You put like this.
Right.
The power of the sun to the mirror that
Right.
enter then can
Reflects.
cause flame.
Right.
Yeah. That's why you see mirror always normal in white.
Right.
Because to reflect.
Can it fry egg?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's some mirror that can fry eggs.
Right.
That can cause decay in your body.
Right.
Niko tarao pito bang goyang masika. That's the power of mirror.
Can you sleep in the mirror?
I can't sleep in the mirror.
Right.
Yeah.
Because the beauty in the mirror that cause us.
Kiss the mirror.
Kiss the mirror men rondo. Hey, jawab semua tu korusia na buat kaya dari tasiro saya ombui. O ana nox arieta renandi latena dolo.
Can the mirror catch a ghost?
Yes. No, he can catch a ghost, but you only can see in the mirror.
Right.
You can catch.
Have you ever seen a ghost in the mirror?
He is the mirror.
Or have
I'm
you
the
heard?
mirror.
Or you just heard?
No, I see the ghost
Oi.
in the mirror. When I see you, I see the ghost. Hey, boleh bilang to everybody joining this morning. It's a very, very good morning.
Right.
Hey, say good morning to your neighbor.
Yeah.
Say good morning to your loved ones.
Say good morning to yourself in the mirror.
Yes,
Right.
in the mirror. Mirror play a major role in our life.
Yeah.
Without mirror,
Yeah.
we are
Is the
socialist.
mirror the reason of lateness every morning?
Sometime.
Yes, many times.
Sometime.
Yes. Yes.
Sometimes mirror is a cause of
Do
our.
ladies carry the mirror in their bag?
Yes,
Okay,
of course.
90% of them.
Right.
They carry that now.
And the men?
And the man, they took the ribbon
Yeah.
What for?
for the marama. Nangono sa do tambukin na mendo sa lenga do naturanga sa
Iya.
tukuni sa tambu na biniunggur nang kay tarwon do ni sarang kay do bisu tu na tulon ka tranga ya ka bir na marama. Komen na rebe na bestuki. Limbula bina na marama na turanga binabulam sara ka na mga tayto ni katalaw na matang binadainday.
Andra.
Ermanto, nasema toko mengor may lo may bitingo. To mulai lain nai rai elo may bitin do yan rbinaka.
Mbula bina kay sa sio na do tambuan mbula bina lewa butu. Bukan ini bina na uli karabi.
Taga baka samataka nang bimbini ilo.
Iya.
Kesa kada mandakan dono chicken leli bango. Bukan itu ilo chicken dono bubal tudok.
Pakandua.
Iya. Nang bimbini ilo.
Na tore tapi kemini naturang na tikin ililaya na maringay desar nga.
Iya.
Kani tortoro.
Kok gua mata sao cita na ilo kaporgano na tanga.
Rone.
Iya.
Orang na tanga melo.
Gua to titiro ko.
Kok na ber na ilo maram ko kasek.
Ito kay pasama kami matanggal ilo. O
Iyo.
pasama kami kurni buli.
Iya.
Lewir ka na ngonelo kami buli wata. Tunon ilo
Iyo.
ya dua.
Iyo.
Ilo na iseru na libugolos na gel. Na hani sauni.
Iya, tidak
Ira
sah.
na maramaran daw kanan daw eh.
Iyo.
Nandaw talitaka. Nawali usar. Nanda keke estate. Nanumikino eroni. Watu kwa namas.
Nasiba, yan rbinaka.
Tapo nang Korea.
Bato ni tembo to yung gorin daw titiro ko ya. Cueli rabualala famungguan ronga.
Oh, ya.
On tu na fama mataka. Nabuwa ka ni tasiri. Areta ranandi. Yanra binaka, yanra may lamay biti.
Kito me kito sa ba?
Iya.